How to change Facebook page and business page URL. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in facebook.com. Make sure that you have logged into your Facebook page and not your Facebook account. Click on to Settings and Privacy, then go for Settings. Now on your left hand side under Settings and Privacy, you have to scroll below, then you will see Page Setup option. Click onto it. Here you will see the name of your page. Click on View. Then you will see Username as the second option. Click on to Edit. And now here you can type in any name that suits you, and this is how it will appear. For instance, if I write test in here, this is how my business or my page URL will look like. And just like so, once you're satisfied, you have to click on to save changes, but also make sure that the characters are at least 5. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.